Hello everyone, welcome to online session BSc 4th semester Optical Instrument session 4. Optical instruments, circle of least confusion, a measure of lateral chromatic aberration. Learning objectives are to know about the optical instruments, understand the application of optics, spherical aberration of lens. Session outcomes: circle of least confusion, a measure of lateral chromatic aberration. Prerequisites are optics, spherical and chromatic aberration, methods of spherical aberration, circle of least confusion, a measure of lateral chromatic aberration. Let us discuss in briefly. Consider a figure. Let a point object illuminated by white light is situated on the axis at a distance u from the lens, and the blue and red images are formed on the axis at position P and Q, such that the colored images spread from the P to Q. A screen placed at AB has an image with least lateral chromatic aberration. The diameter of the circle of least confusion gives a measure of lateral chromatic aberration, and equation for is calculated as follows. PQ is colored image spread from P to Q. Let U be the object distance and VR and VB denote the image distance from red and blue color images. If FR and FB represent the focal lengths of red and blue rays of light, then 1 by VB minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by FB from lens maker's formula, considered as equation number 1, and 1 by VR minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by FR. Equation number 2. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get 1 by VB minus 1 by VR is equal to 1 by FB minus 1 by FR. It gives the VR minus VB divided by VR into VB is equal to FR minus FB whole divided by FR into FB. Taking VR into VB is equal to V square and also FR into FB is equal to F square. The above equation becomes VR minus VB whole divided by V square is equal to FR minus FB whole square. F square is equal to W or omega into F divided by F square is equal to omega by F, because FR minus FB is equal to W into F. Therefore, VR minus VB is equal to W into V square divided by F, considered as equation number 3. From similar triangles LQN and AQB, we can write CQ divided by AB is equal to MQ divided by LN, considered as equation number 4. Also from similar triangles LPN and APV, we can write CQ divided by AB is equal to MP divided by LN. From figure, we can consider as equation number 5. Adding equation 4 and 5, you can get PC plus CQ whole divided by AB is equal to MQ plus MP whole divided by LN. It gives the PQ divided by AB is equal to MQ plus MP divided by LN. It considered as equation number 6. But PQ is equal to VR minus VB and AB is equal to D. D in the diameter of the circle of least confusion, and Ln is equal to capital D is the diameter of the lens aperture, and MQ plus MP is equal to VR plus VB is equal to 2 into V approximately. Substituting these values in equation 6, we get VR minus VB whole divided by D is equal to 2V into capital D. It gives the D is equal to capital D into bracket VR minus VB whole divided by 2 into V. Using equation 3, we can write small d is equal to capital D into 1 by 2V into W into V square whole divided by F is equal to half into capital D W into V divided by F, considered as equation number 7. For a all parallel beam of incident light, V is equal to F, and hence equation 7 reduces to the form D is equal to, small d is equal to half into capital D into W into F by F. Finally, it gives the half into capital D into W, considered as equation 8. Thus, the lateral chromatic aberration depends on the diameter of the lens aperture and the dispersive power of the material, but it is depends on the focal length of the lens. Recap. Circle of least confusion, a measure of lateral chromatic aberration. Let us discuss about questions. The lateral chromatic aberration depends on the diameter of the lens aperture and dash. Options are dispersive power of the material, focal length, both A and B, none of the above. The answer is dispersive power of the material. Second question is, the lateral chromatic aberration, it is independent of dash of the lens. Option A, focal length, principal focus, diameter, none of the above. Option is focal length. Lateral chromatic aberration, it is independent of focal length. Thank you.